Hey guys, today we're going to talk about subtracting decimals. So, same rules apply as adding. So if you haven't watched my adding decimals video, I recommend you watch it before you watch this one. Let's do this together now. Let's start with 54 and 2/10, and I'm going to subtract from there 22 and 38 hundredths. Now, if the same rules apply, we need to make sure our decimals are always lined up. If not, where would we put our decimal? Because remember, we just follow the decimal down. Well, that's very helpful. But I can't subtract 8 from nothing. So do you remember what I told you, what you can do to have these be the same denominator or the same place value? We can put a 0 placeholder. Now I know how to do my subtraction. It involves a little bit of regrouping, but I think I can manage it. Well, if I want to subtract 8 from 0, I need to regroup from here, borrow 1, and bring it over here. 10 minus 8 gives me 2. Now, 3 taken out of 1. I can't do that either. I'm going to have to regroup again. So let's borrow from here and give it there. Now 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 54 and 2/10 minus 22 and 38 hundredths is 31 and 82 hundredths. Let's do another one. That was pretty challenging. So, let's do this. 43 minus 21 and 3/10. For this problem, the first one's not even a decimal, but let's line them up anyway. So I have 43. Well, how do I line that up if this has a decimal and this doesn't? Remember, I have an invisible decimal right here. Now I can line it up. 21 and 3/10. So when we're subtracting these, what do I need to do? I need to add an invisible 0. So let's put that 0 there. Just like before, a lot of times when you add zeros, it means you're going to have to regroup. So we're going to have to regroup, meaning borrow from here and lend it over here. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Bring down that decimal. Remember, it should always line up. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. One more? Okay, one more. So, 36 and 52 hundredths minus 6 and 4/10. Let's line them up. 36 and 52 hundredths minus, remember, the decimals always line up. 6 and 4/10, because my 1s should be with 1s, my 10ths should be with 10ths, hundredths with hundredths, but there are none, and 10s with 10s, but there are none. So let's do our subtraction. What do we need to do? What are we missing? The zeros. Now, you can put one here. It's not required, but you could, or you don't have to. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 3 minus nothing is 3. That's it. That's what you're going to be doing. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll be available by email, distancingcamp@gmail.com. See you next time. Bye.